For the first time since 2019, BC Wood was back at the China International Furniture Fair Interzum in Guangzhou. With new federal funding made available, we were able to book space, but at the last minute. Therefore, with a small booth, we focused on promoting the BC value-added lumber industry, along with our forestry practices, and also recruiting buyers for this year's GBM. What is most impressive is the sheer scale of this show. It is said to be the largest woodworking show in Asia, and it is easy to believe this with over 5,100 exhibitors and more than 350,000 industry attendees this year. Interzum takes up 4 areas in the Canton Fair, comprising of 20 halls, most of which contain 2 to 3 floors. In total, 45 halls were used for this show. While known as a furniture showcase, the tie-up with Interzum of Germany means it encompasses the full spectrum of related products ranging from finished furniture, millwork, components such as hardware and wood materials, as well as woodworking machinery. As a result, the show draws in wood manufacturers, wood wholesalers and distributors, as well as importers from all over China and in fact the world. This show is truly international in scope, with 65,000 of the attendees this year coming from overseas. The wood materials zone in particular is always very global, with a large American and European presence. Prior to COVID, BC Wood and QAB together represented Canada each year at this show, and it was important to renew our promotional activities here as our industry is actively seeking to diversify. As the show had been negatively affected by COVID and travel restrictions, other exhibitors told me that this was the first year the show was back in full form. It was, in fact, the right time to return. You could feel the energy throughout the 45 halls. We were well received by the Chinese buyers, and I also had many constructive conversations with people from the Middle East, Southwest and Southeast Asia, as well as Europe. People inquired about our coastal species, SPF, veneers, plus hardwoods. We hope to bring some of these buyers to the GBM this year. For next year's edition, BC Wood plans to book space early so that we can accommodate members that are looking to develop new business in Asia.